What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online ethically. Okay? Ethically. So, before I get into the content though, welcome to my channel. If you like to watch videos and content on how to make money online, how to make passive income, how to get to where you want to be as an entrepreneur passively, I'm going to use that word a lot, and just like good, get valuable content, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I'm coming out with consistent content teaching you just that and documenting my experience as I also reach the life that I want to eventually. Okay. Sorry, I know I look tired today. I just got back from the gym. I've been going back to my gym regimen, and today was the first day in 2 months. So I am out of it, but staying committed and posting content as much as possible to help you guys out. Okay, so go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell because you don't want to miss the content that I come out with. All right, so go ahead and subscribe. So how to make money online ethically. I know there are a lot of people, and if you are already in the make money online space, you are probably getting bombarded with a lot of content, such as YouTube videos like mine here, emails. People are emailing you left and right about, oh, get this product, get that product. Oh, this product will make you this amount of money. Oh, that product will make you that amount of money, etc. And making a lot of empty promises. And then some people are just scamming you. They're saying up $2,000 and not give you any kind of value, any kind of content or anything. Trust me, I've been there. I have spent over $5,000, probably more than $5,000 on different courses, different trainings, different mentorships, right? And a lot of them have empty promises. Okay. But do not let that discourage you. I also went to 4 years worth of college, an undergraduate degree from North Carolina State University. And right now I'm $24,000 in debt, student loan debt, federal student loan debt. And look, I haven't spent that much money, but I'd say that to say this: it is worth you investing in yourself right now today to learn the skill sets in order to create the real life that you want. Not having to work a 9 to 5 job, not having to try to pick up a part-time job to supplement your full-time job. No, you want to learn skill sets right now today and take action on what you learn in order to build a future so that maybe 2 years, 2 years, 3 years down the line, you're able to look back on what you built 2 years before prior and just reap and harvest the benefits of that. Okay. And I'm going to tell you, like, 6 months of consistent action on implementing tactics and strategies that work and being focused, you will start reaping the benefits and rewards of that 6 months of consistency working. Okay. And that's just what I'm doing tonight. I came from the gym. I'm still in my 9 to 5 job. I've worked all day, went to the gym, ate, has spent time with my family, but I'm still committed to, building my online platform with YouTube, that I'm pumping out content and making sure that I'm consistent. Okay. And that's key. But how can you make money online ethically? Number one, you need to find an ethical product, course, mentor, someone you can trust, someone you can relate to, and someone that kind of has results that you want. Okay. And then as you do that, the second thing you need to do is take action. Okay. Once you find that course, that training, that mentor, take action. Do what the course tells you to do, step by step. The course training tells you to do. Do what your mentor tells you to do, and don't do what your mentor tells you to not do. Right? Follow instruction, take action, and be consistent. Okay. So the first thing, find someone to follow, a training, a course, or a mentor. Second thing, take consistent action. Okay. And the third thing, focus. Okay. If you get a lot of emails and a lot of content being thrown at you about different things, it's hard for you to focus. So once you pick that mentor, that training, that product, focus on that one thing. Okay. Unsubscribe for all the email lists that you're on, getting where that's just bombarding you, and focus on one thing. Okay. So let me get into the bones of the content. My 2 ways that you can make money online ethically, passive income, my first way is affiliate marketing. All right. Affiliate marketing is a very ethical business strategy that you can use as an entrepreneur today that can make you a lot of passive income. Okay. High level affiliate marketing is when you promote a product that someone else made to an audience that needs that product. Okay. You're the middleman and you get a commission off of every sale that you make. That you after you promoted that product. Okay. So, but excuse me. The problem that can where this business strategy can be unethical is if you pick a product that is unethical, right? If you pick a product that says, "Oh, lose 20 pounds in 2 days," look, be real. Are you really going to lose 20 pounds in 2 days unless you're just doing something very extreme that's probably very detrimental to your health? No. So if you promote a product like that to your audience, then yeah, they're going to think that this guy is bogus. He's making empty promises, very unethical, not really doing much for me, but taking my money. So stay away from that. But affiliate marketing, the business strategy in itself, is very ethical, very successful, and a great strategy that you can start today. Okay. If you want to learn step by step in detail how to start affiliate marketing business that's sustainable and that can make you a substantial amount of passive income, check out the link in the description at any time you want to. Okay. My second recommendation is to start some kind of social media platform. You can start an Instagram. You can start a YouTube. I suggest you start YouTube. YouTube is where you can post content that you enjoy doing. Like you can vlog your cooking. You can vlog fitness. You can vlog makeup. You can vlog whatever, your day at the mall, whatever you feel that you're passionate about. Record it, put it on camera, and create content on YouTube. And what you can do is, once you post and post and post, learn SEO, how to rank on YouTube, how to rank on Google searches, so that people can start searching for your content. You get subscribers, you get watch hours, and what happens is, after you get 1,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time on YouTube, you can be eligible to monetize your channel, which means once you meet those requirements, 1,000 or 4,000, YouTube will pay you, put ads on your videos and pay you for people who watch that ads. Every time someone watches your video and watches that ad, you get paid. That's passive income. A video that you made 2 years ago can be making you money right now if you just start today and take action. Okay. So those are two ethical ways to make money online today. So if you ask me, how can I make money online ethically? Those are two ways. Straight out. I'm not going to get into detail right now in this video, but go ahead and subscribe to my channel, guys. And, I've got content out there that teaches you step by step. I go into the computer and show you step by step how you can do this. But for right now, I just want to, talk to you guys high level on some ways you can make money right now online ethically. All right. So go ahead, subscribe to this channel if you like this video. If it's giving you some kind of value, if it has your light bulbs going off, great ideas, go ahead and like this video. Comment below what your ideas are for 2019 and 2020 on how you're going to create the life that you want. Okay. And if there's any content that you would like to see, go ahead and also leave that in the comment below. And the first couple of comments I get, I'll do a shout out on my next video. All right. Because I'm growing, but you have to subscribe. You have to like this video. And of course you have to comment below. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next go around. All right. Peace.